inspired Swami Vivekananda most is the Upanishads. The stories of the Upanishads inspired Swami Vivekananda very much. So I am going to share you one story from the Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Which Upanishad? Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Can you hear? If somebody can repeat, I will continue the story. Which Upanishad?
Your video is
Still you are not getting? Brihadaranyaka. The name of the Upanishad is Brihadaranyaka. Is Brihadaranyaka. Which Upanishad? Oh, net problem. Today I am going to narrate a story from Brihadaranyaka. Which story? Which Upanishad? Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Okay? Upanishad. Thank you. Thank you. Good. There, Aruni is a father. He had a son. His name was Shwetaketu. What was the name of the son? Shwetaketu. Aruni was a father. He had a son. His name was Shwetaketu. What is the name of the son? Shwetaketu. As all of you are there, just it is just for knowledge. Don't write down. Just listen. Okay. As you were there, all of you were there in the 5th class. Your parents decided, oh, next year we are going to put you in the residential school. Please go for coaching. Study that material, this material. Is it? Like like your parents. Aruni also thought, Array, my son simply sitting in the home and seeing the IPL. Huh? He is not doing anything. So Aruni thought, my dear son, please get ready and go to Gurukul. In those days, residential schools were not there. What was there? Gurukul was there. My dear Aruni, it is the time. Please go and study in Gurukul. Then Aruni also put his son Shwetaketu in the Gurukul. Shwetaketu, whether he was liking or not liking, he was sent to the Gurukul. So Shwetaketu went to Gurukul and he stayed there for seven long years. How many years he stayed? He stayed for 7 long years in the Gurukul. And so how many years he stayed? 7 long years in the Gurukul he stayed, and he completed his education, came back to the home. He came back to the home. After coming back, as you are going to study for 7 long years in Sainik school, you know, from 6th onwards up to 12th, it takes 7 long years. So he came back to the home. So after coming to the home, he was not behaving like a normal. He was feeling very proud. अरे पूरा गांव में मैं अकेला हूँ जो सैनिक स्कूल के लिए सेलेक्ट हो गया. Is it? So I am so proud. I was selected in the thousands. You know. So he was very proudish. So Shwetaketu was very proud. Then his father Aruni asked him, my dear son, you have studied along with other boys. Did your teacher teach you specially for you? Then he was telling that, yes, my dear father, I was very pet student of my teacher. He taught me very well. Then, now it is clear? Huh. Now Aruni asked him, my dear son, my dear son, do you know that one thing? By knowing one thing, you will know everything. Did you learn this in your Gurukul? He asked. What is the question, Mihir? Mihir, what was the question asked by Aruni?
Did you learn this in your Gurukul?
No, no, no. Aruni is asking, my dear son, do you know one thing? By learning, you will know everything in this world. Do you know that one thing? What is the question, Ishan?
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay, okay, okay. That's what I am checking. Can you answer me or not? So Aruni asked his son Shwetaketu, my dear son, did you learn that one thing? By learning one thing, you will learn everything. So what is the question of Aruni? Mihir.
And you learn one thing. Can you learn one
Hmm.
thing, sir?
Oh, yes, correct. So then Shwetaketu thought, "Arre, this one thing I did not learn in Gurukul. But if I say that I did not learn, what are the possibilities? The father may send him back once again to Gurukul. Is it? He thought that my father may send me once again to the Gurukul. He got scared. So instead of that, he told that, my dear father, I was the pet student of my teacher. I was the pet student of my teacher. My teacher taught me whatever he knows. I hope my teacher doesn't know that. That's why he did not teach me. So you only tell me what is the answer. He asked his father. Then his father immediately told him, go and bring the pot, घड़ा. ओ जो हिंदी में समझना चाहता है, घड़ा, you know, pot, earthen pot. He told, you bring. Then Shwetaketu went and brought the pot. Then his father told, break it. Huh? He has broken it. Then he told, you go and bring the chashaka. Chashaka means, you know, earthen glass. In the first lesson we learnt, na? Ah, tumbler, lota. Ah. So in those days everything was made up of mud, na? So he went, Shwetaketu went and brought that tumbler. Then his father Aruni told, break it. Then this Shwetaketu broken it. Then he told, go and bring Darvi. Darvi means what? Vessel which you make helps you to cook. What do you call spoon? Spoon. Hmm? Spoon. It was also made up of earth. हाँ. चम्मच लेके आया. चम्मच लेके आया. Then he told break it. So once again Shwetaketu has broken it. Now what he has broken? He has broken the pot. He has broken the glass and he has broken the even the spoon. Now, now Aruni is asking, get me my spoon back. Then the problem is for Shwetaketu. Array, everything is broken. How can I get? Then his father told, I asked you, by knowing one thing, you will know everything. What is that one you can see here? Can you see the spoon? No. Can you see the can you see the can you see the chashaka? That is the tumbler. Can you see there? No. Can you see the pot there? No. What can you see now? Everything has become mud. Everything was made up of mud now. So now everything has become mud. That means if you know the mud very well, you can know the pot, you can know the tumbler, you can know the spoon. Understood? That is the truth. The Aruni taught his son in that example. So if you know the mud, you can know all the things made up of the mud. Like that, if you know the gold, all of you know the gold, all of you know the gold. This is the gold ring.
Yes, sir.
Huh? So you know the ring, you know the chain, is it? You know the bangles your mothers wear,
The gold.
is
Gold
it?
means sona.
Sona.
Sir, if we will
So
sir, if we will know Vandana, then we can know the words.
yes, if you know the gold, you can know all the ornaments, is it not? For
Yes.
you and me, these are all the ornaments. But for the shopkeeper, it is gold. He doesn't have the price for the
Gold.
rings or no. He fixes the price for the gold. Is it?
Yes, sir.
So, like
Yes.
that, my dear students, if you know the basic, anything you are starting the studies in science school now, if you know the basic, you can learn everything from there. That's why very important is that make your basics very strong. What is the root?
Sir, I'm wearing earrings of gold.
Yes. So your basic should be very strong. So today I am sharing one shabda in front of you, that is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Today I am sharing with you. If you learn this basic from learning one Shabda, I am sure that all of you can tell more than 100 Shabdas.
Yes, sir.
How it is? Shall I share now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes, my dear students. This is Akaranta Pullingaha Balaka Shabdaha, which I am sharing with you. What is this? Akarantaha Pullingaha Balaka Shabdaha. So by learning this one Shabda, you can tell all the Akaranta Pullinga Shabdas, that may be 100, 200, 300. You may be wondering, first I will read and tell you. Please take down the screenshot or write down. It is very important that all of you write down this shabda, which is going to help you a lot in the life. So
You
as we
send the
know,
PDF WhatsApp group.
what?
Sir, you send the PDF in
No, it is not
No,
PDF.
no,
It is the
you
PPT
can
which
take
I have
photo.
prepared. Okay, if you want, you can take out the screenshot, or I will be keeping in the entire class today. So you can write down. It takes only 3 to 2 minutes. Okay, I will be reading. Don't worry about these vibhaktis. Okay, I am teaching you just like a mother shows the moon. जब आप छोटे रहते हैं, मम्मी क्या है, चंद्रमा को दिखा के खाना खिलाती है ना? मदर शोज द मून एंड टीचर्स. When you are born just a small kid, you don't know what is the moon. Then mother brings you out, then tells, shows the sky, de chandamama dekho, kaha hai देखना. Then mother tells, पेड़ देखो, उधर पेड़ दिख रहा है ना, पेड़ के ऊपर वहां चंद्रमा है. तब चंद्रमा समझ में आता है. दूसरी दिन पेड़ की जरूरत नहीं है, चंद्रमा अपने आप समझ में आ जाता है. As like you can identify the moon, first day you need the tree to identify. Next day onwards, on your own you can. So this is, don't worry, this afterwards you will understand on your own. First you by heart this shabda. Okay, just listen how to read this. Akarantaha pullingaha balaka shabdaha. अकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः बालक शब्दः. बालकः बालकौ बालकाः. बालकः बालकौ बालकाः. बालकं बालकौ बालकान्. बालकं बालकौ बालकान्. बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः. बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः. बालकाय बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकाय बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकात् बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकात् बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकस्य बालकयोः बालकानां बालके बालकयोः बालकेषु बालके बालकयोः बालकेषु हे बालक हे बालकौ हे बालकाः
बालकेषु हे
हाँ?
हे बालकौ हे बालकाः
हाँ पुनरेकवारं पठामि बालकः बालकौ बालकाः बालकं बालकौ बालकान् बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः बालकाय बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकात् बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकस्य बालकयोः बालकानां बालके बालकयोः बालकेषु हे बालक हे बालकौ हे बालकाः. Got it? So can you read it, Atharva? Atharva is the first boy whom I see here on the screen. Atharva?
Excuse me, sir.
Patatu.
Sir, what means balakam balakai?
Meaning don't worry, first
can
learn to read now.
Explain.
Balakah?
Sir, can you explain one more? Are you listening? Sir, are you listening?
Yes, yes.
Sir, balakah, balakau, balakaah, balakam, balakau, balakan, balakena, balakabhyan,
Balakaihi.
balakaihi,
Balakaihi.
balakaihi,
Ah.
balakaya,
Balakabhyam. Balakebhyah.
बालकेभ्यः बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः
Balakebhyah.
बालकानां
Uttam.
बालकयोः
Keshu.
बालकेषु हे बालक हे बालकौ
He balakaha.
बालक
Uttam. Ah. Now Daksha, can you read?
Sir, Nikhil will
Nikhil, next. Next, Nikhil. Yes, read.
I can read.
Please.
बालकौ बालकान् बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकाय
बालकाभ्यां
बालकेभ्यः
भ्यः बालकात्
Sir, I will read.
Daksha did not complete, no?
She left the class, sir.
She left. Okay, very good. Who Nikhil wants to read?
Yes, sir.
Read.
बालकः बालकौ बालकाः बालकं बालकौ बालकान्
उत्तमम्.
बालकेन बालकाभ्यां बालकैः
कैहि.
बालकाय बालकाभ्यां बालकेभ्यः बालकात् बालकाभ्यं बालकेभ्यः
हम्म,
बालकस्य बालकयोः
हम्म.
बालकाम
बालकानां
बालकानां
हम्म,
बालकयोः बालकेषु
हम्म.
हे बालक हे बालकौ हे बालकाः
Very good, very good. Good, very well read. All of you, please try one thing. Aha, aha, ihi, ihi, uhu, uhu, ruhu, eh, aihi, oho, auhu. So, what is the you are having the habit of having telling the visarga only with a. You have the practice of telling only aha. You can tell aha, aha, ihi, ihi, uhu, uhu, ruhu, ehe, aihi, oho, auhu. So that is what needed here. Balakaihi. You are not pronouncing it correctly. Balakayoho. Oho here. Here aihi is coming. Here oho is coming. This is what you need to practice. Yes, last chance. Who will read once again?
Sir,
I means name I want.
Sir, yes. Sir, yes.
Yes, come on. Yes, read it.
Yes, sir. बालकः बालकौ
Hmm,
बालकाः
hmm,
बालकं बालकौ बालकान्
good.
बालकेन बालकाभ्याधम
Bhyam.
बालकाभ्यां
Hmm.
बालकैः
Kaihi. See, this is what I need.
बालकाय
Hmm,
बालकाभ्याम
hmm,
बालकेभ्यः
hmm.
बालकात्
Balakat. Hmm,
बालकात् बालकाभ्याम
hmm,
बालकेभ्यः
hmm,
बालकस्य
hmm,
बालकयोः
hmm,
बालकानाम
hmm,
बालकयोः
hmm,
बालकेषु
hmm.
हे बालकः हे
हे बालक. बालकः नास्ति. हे बालक.
हे बालक हे बालकौ
Hmm.
हे बालकाः
उत्तमं. सम्यक् पठितवान्.